Yeah, that little one in the corner. That looks actually that looks a good gun. That little one.
Hold it tight to your shoulder.
Da outra vez você atirou com o carro.
You look through that one, you gotta find the tip of that. Right? Both of those, you gotta line up on the target. If they don't line up, then you get everything except the target. Kind of like you're doing now. Okay. Let's bring it up here and see what's going on. Lean forward. I'm using the wrong eye. Close the side. Okay? Where do you guys tilt your head? Bring your shoulder to your face.
Tira foto com ela. Ai,
Lean forward, lean forward, lean forward. Line up and fire with it. Almost get this here. Okay. Here. It's up here. Spit down here. Really bad. You don't want to come in here all the time. Don't come around with the gun in your hand. Okay. One real one for you. Hold on to it.
Go, Mom.
tira foto.
That shoulder. Good. So hold it. There you go. Solid back up. Shoulder into it. Line your sights up on his head. Fire when you're ready. Nice. Short the front like that. Gotta be opened up a little bit.
Tira foto aí.
Designed to be a machine gun.
Your weight off of your heel. Like I said, you're gonna against this for support. Like that. Now when you hit the trigger, you gotta hit it hard.
I know.
Be gentle. If somebody shoots you blind, compromise with, take it down again. That round not I don't want to go ahead and give you about a 2 round burst.
One second. We'll grab a different guy.
Try it again. It's
Definitely the first thing to try.